Hey there, do you know that something as simple as adding sweet potatoes to your diet could transform your health? Imagine a delicious food that not only boosts your immune system, but also helps with weight loss, improves heart health, and supports healthy vision, all while fighting off aging and chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. Sweet potatoes have hidden superpowers that can change your life, and today we're diving into the incredible benefits they offer. I'm Dr. Your Name, and welcome to Healthy Aging Life, your go-to place for natural health tips and the best ways to age gracefully. If you're interested in living your healthiest life as you get older, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. I want to hear from you about your experience with sweet potatoes. Let me ask you this. Have you been struggling with low energy or feeling run down? Are you worried about your heart health or vision as you age? Or maybe, just maybe, you're looking for a natural way to boost your immunity and fight inflammation? Well, guess what? Sweet potatoes are here to help you in all those areas and more. In today's video, we'll break down how sweet potatoes can help balance blood sugar, lower inflammation, support your gut, and even improve your skin. And trust me, you won't want to miss a single part of this video, because you might just be surprised by what you'll learn. So grab a seat, and let's jump right in to see how these simple, delicious root vegetables can boost your health and help you live a longer, healthier life. Ready? Let's go. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment below, because I'd love to know how sweet potatoes have made a difference in your life. So why are sweet potatoes so loved by so many? Well, let's dive into it. Sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant. You've probably heard the word antioxidants thrown around a lot. But what exactly do they do? Think of antioxidants like the bodyguards of your cells. They protect your body from damage caused by free radicals, those little troublemakers that come from stress, pollution, poor diet, or even just normal metabolism. If left unchecked, these free radicals can lead to chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and yes, even aging. Nobody wants that, right? But here's the cool part. Beta-carotene is a precursor to vitamin A, which is super important for maintaining healthy skin, sharp vision, and a strong immune system. Imagine eating something that not only tastes good but is also a protective shield for your body. Sweet potatoes offer all of this in a vibrant orange or purple package. It's like eating a small superhero. And hey, don't just take my word for it. There's science behind it too. In a study published in 2012 by Food and Function, researchers found that sweet potatoes help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. This could mean they help prevent chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Pretty awesome, right? Another study published in Nutrition Research and Practice found that sweet potatoes might even reduce DNA damage caused by oxidation. Yup, that means sweet potatoes could slow down aging and protect you from diseases that come with getting older. And we all want a bit of that, don't we? It's simple. Sweet potatoes aren't just delicious. They're like cellular bodyguards. If you're not already including them in your diet, it's time to start. It's like giving your body a little extra armor to fight off those everyday stresses. Now, let me know how many of you actually enjoy sweet potatoes. Drop a comment below. I'm curious to see who's with me on this one. Alright, let's move on to the next amazing benefit of sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not just rich in beta-carotene, but they are also an excellent source of vitamin C, which is essential for supporting your immune system. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in stimulating the production of white blood cells, your body's defense army against harmful bacteria and viruses. So, if you want to keep the cold and flu at bay, you might want to add more sweet potatoes to your meals. But that's not all. Vitamin C also helps reduce inflammation, which is a common factor in many chronic diseases. This means eating sweet potatoes could help reduce the risk of inflammation-related diseases like arthritis or even heart disease. Let's face it, no one wants to deal with feeling sick all the time, right? So, if you're looking for an easy way to give your immune system a little extra boost, sweet potatoes are here for the win. Who knew this humble root could be so powerful? Huh? Now, let's talk about something we all care about, our skin. Vitamin C also plays a key role in maintaining the health of your skin. It helps your body produce collagen, a a protein that's essential for keeping your skin firm and elastic. As we age, collagen production naturally slows down, and that's when we start seeing wrinkles and sagging skin. But if you're eating foods rich in vitamin C like sweet potatoes, you're helping to slow down that process. Without enough vitamin C, our skin becomes dry, wrinkled, and slower to heal. You've probably noticed those little cuts or bruises that take longer to heal as you get older. Vitamin C helps speed up the healing process, keeping your skin in top shape. So, by simply eating sweet potatoes, you're not just protecting your immune system, you're helping your skin stay youthful and vibrant too. And here's the best part. Just 1 cup of boiled sweet potato gives you about 30% of your daily vitamin C needs. That's a pretty easy way to keep your skin healthy and glowing, don't you think? So, if you want to look younger, feel healthier, and fight off illnesses, sweet potatoes are your new best friend. Let me know in the comments if you already include sweet potatoes in your diet. Do you love them as much as I do? Alright, now let's move on to the next amazing benefit of sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic source of fiber, and we all know that fiber is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. What makes sweet potatoes even better is that they contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps stabilize blood sugar levels and reduces bad cholesterol in the body. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to your stool and helps keep things moving smoothly in your digestive tract. This means by eating sweet potatoes, you're helping to prevent constipation, promote regular bowel movements, and keep your digestive system functioning properly. And who doesn't want a happy tummy, right? But wait, it gets even better. Sweet potatoes also contain prebiotics, which are special types of fiber that act as food for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Maintaining a healthy gut microbiome is super important, not just for digestion but also for your immune system, mental health, and even inflammation levels. A healthy gut microbiome helps improve nutrient absorption, boosts your immune function, and may even improve your mood. The prebiotics in sweet potatoes work to feed those good bacteria, keeping them happy and balanced. When your gut bacteria are well fed, they thrive, which means better digestion and a stronger immune system. So, sweet potatoes aren't just good for your stomach. They're helping keep your whole body in check. And the cherry on top, by nourishing your gut with prebiotics, you may also be able to reduce gut inflammation, which can lead to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or other inflammatory gut diseases. So, in simple terms, eating sweet potatoes is a win-win for your digestive health. Now, let me ask you, how many of you have noticed that eating more fiber has helped your digestive system? Drop a comment below, and let's talk about your experience with digestive health. Alright, let's move on to another incredible benefit of sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes have a low to medium glycemic index, GI, which means they digest slower than foods with a high GI, like white bread or white rice. So what does this mean for you? It means that by consuming foods with a low glycemic index, like sweet potatoes, you can help maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. When your blood sugar levels stay stable, it prevents those sudden spikes and crashes that leave you feeling tired, sluggish, and craving sugar. Imagine this. You eat a meal with sweet potatoes, and instead of getting a sugar rush followed by a crash, you get a steady supply of energy that keeps you feeling good all day long. Sounds good, right? This also helps in managing weight because when your blood sugar is balanced, you're less likely to experience those cravings that lead to overeating. So, sweet potatoes help you maintain steady energy, prevent crashes, and support your overall well-being. And who doesn't want that? Let's talk science for a minute. A 2008 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that sweet potatoes, especially white sweet potatoes, can help improve blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity in people with type 2 diabetes. Now, here's the really interesting part. Even when participants consumed other high glycemic foods, those who ate sweet potatoes were still able to maintain better blood glucose control. So, if you have type 2 diabetes or you just want to make sure your blood sugar stays stable, adding sweet potatoes to your diet could be a game changer. It's like having a natural tool to help manage your blood sugar levels. How amazing is that? And, hey, if you're someone who's always worried about blood sugar levels, give sweet potatoes a try and see how they work for you. Let me know in the comments if you've used sweet potatoes in your meals for blood sugar regulation or weight management. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Alright, now, let's move on to the next amazing benefit of sweet potatoes. Chronic inflammation is the root cause of many serious diseases like heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, and even cancer. But here's the good news. Sweet potatoes can help. Sweet potatoes are loaded with powerful anti-inflammatory compounds like beta-carotene and choline. These compounds work to reduce inflammation in your body, but without the harmful side effects that you might get from synthetic anti-inflammatory drugs. You see, chronic inflammation is like a silent killer. It can sneak up on you and gradually cause damage to your organs and tissues. But by including sweet potatoes in your diet, you're giving your body a natural, healthy way to fight this internal inflammation. And the best part? You don't have to worry about those nasty side effects that come with pharmaceutical anti-inflammatory meds. Sweet potatoes can offer all the benefits without the risks. Let's take a look at some science. In a 2015 study published in Food and Nutrition Research, researchers found that sweet potatoes can help lower levels of C-reactive protein, CRP, the key marker of inflammation in the body. CRP is like an alarm bell that goes off when your body is inflamed. And by reducing CRP levels, sweet potatoes help calm that internal fire and reduce inflammation. This reduction in inflammation is incredibly important because it lowers the risk of developing chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. So, by eating sweet potatoes regularly, you're not just helping your digestive system or blood sugar levels, you're also protecting yourself from long-term health issues that are tied to chronic inflammation. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet is like giving your body a natural anti-inflammatory boost. And remember, we all want to keep our bodies feeling good for as long as possible, right? By reducing inflammation, sweet potatoes help to preserve our health and keep us feeling great. So, if you're looking for a natural way to manage inflammation, sweet potatoes might just be your new best friend. Let me know in the comments if you've noticed any benefits from eating sweet potatoes in your life. I'd love to hear how it's worked for you. Alright, let's move on to the next amazing benefit of sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not just low in calories, they're also packed with fiber, which helps you feel full for longer and reduces hunger cravings. How amazing is that? When you eat sweet potatoes, they fill you up so you're less likely to reach for those extra snacks. This means you end up consuming fewer calories overall, which makes sweet potatoes a great addition to your weight loss journey. Think about it, eating fewer calories without feeling like you're starving. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. You get the nutrition and fullness, but you also avoid overeating. And here's a tip. If you're trying to manage your weight, incorporating fiber-rich foods like sweet potatoes can really help. It's a simple, natural way to keep your cravings in check. Now, here's where sweet potatoes get even more interesting. Sweet potatoes contain resistant starch, which is a type of carbohydrate that is not digested in the small intestine. Instead, it makes its way to the colon, where it ferments and produces short-chain fatty acids. These fatty acids play a key role in boosting fat burning and improving metabolism. A study conducted in 2013 found that adding resistant starch to your diet could help reduce body fat and improve fat burning. So, if you're looking to shed a few pounds, adding sweet potatoes to your meals might give your metabolism the little boost it needs. And don't worry, you're not just eating delicious food. You're also giving your body a helping hand in the fat-burning process. So, how cool is that? Sweet potatoes are not just filling. They also help you burn fat and improve metabolism. They're a great choice for anyone looking to manage their weight in a natural, healthy way. Let me know in the comments if you've tried incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet for weight management. It's time to take control of those cravings and metabolism. Alright, now let's move on to the next awesome benefit of sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are not just good for your digestion. They also play a key role in promoting heart health. They are rich in potassium and magnesium, two minerals that are vital for regulating blood pressure and protecting your cardiovascular system. Potassium helps to reduce sodium levels in your body, which in turn helps lower blood pressure. Magnesium, on the other hand, helps relax the blood vessels and improve blood circulation. This combination of potassium and magnesium in sweet potatoes can help keep your blood pressure within a healthy range, while also supporting overall heart health. And we all know how important it is to have a healthy heart, right? By incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet, you're doing your heart a huge favor by providing it with the nutrients it needs to stay healthy and strong. Let's take a closer look at some scientific research. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that people who consumed sweet potatoes daily for 3 months experienced a significant reduction in systolic blood pressure, without any side effects. That's right, no side effects, just heart-healthy benefits. This study demonstrates that sweet potatoes can be an excellent food for supporting cardiovascular health and managing blood pressure naturally. How amazing is that? So, if you're concerned about your blood pressure or you just want to give your heart a little extra love, sweet potatoes might be the perfect addition to your daily meals. They're tasty, natural, and full of nutrients that support heart health without the use of medications. Pretty impressive, right? Sweet potatoes are not only delicious, but they also contribute to heart health in a big way. Let me know in the comments if you've noticed any improvements in your health from eating sweet potatoes. Your heart will thank you. Alright, let's move on to the next fantastic benefit of sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which is the precursor to vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of the cells in your eyes. It helps protect the cornea, the outer surface of your eye, and supports overall eye function. Without enough vitamin A, you could be at risk of developing night blindness or even more serious conditions like macular degeneration. But the good news is that sweet potatoes can help prevent these issues by providing you with plenty of vitamin A. And the best part? You don't need to rely on supplements to get enough vitamin A. By simply including sweet potatoes in your diet, you're getting a natural, tasty, and nutrient-packed source of this essential vitamin. Here's the eye-popping fact. One medium-sized sweet potato can provide more than 400% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin A. That's over 4 times the amount you need to maintain healthy vision. Vitamin A helps keep your eyes sharp and protects them from damage caused by UV rays and bright light exposure. In addition to protecting against sunlight, vitamin A also helps reduce the risk of conditions like dry eyes and age-related macular degeneration, AMD. So, if you want to keep your eyes in top shape as you age, sweet potatoes are an amazing choice. It's a simple, delicious way to protect your eyesight. If you want to protect your vision and reduce the risk of age-related eye issues, adding sweet potatoes to your meals is a no-brainer. Your eyes will thank you in the long run. Now, how cool is that? Sweet potatoes are not just good for your body. They also work wonders for your eyes. Let me know in the comments if you've noticed any improvement in your vision from eating sweet potatoes. Let's keep those eyes healthy and bright. Alright, let's move on to the next incredible benefit of sweet potatoes. As we wrap up today's video, I hope you're as excited about the amazing benefits of sweet potatoes as I am. They truly are a game changer when it comes to maintaining a healthy lifestyle and aging gracefully. From supporting your immune system to boosting heart health, improving digestion, and even protecting your eyes, sweet potatoes have it all. It's a simple, natural food that can make a big difference in your overall health. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet before? How have they helped you feel better or improve your health? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. You never know who might benefit from these tips. And if you haven't subscribed to Healthy Aging Life yet, now's the perfect time. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update on how to live your healthiest, happiest life as you age. What other foods or lifestyle changes do you want to learn about to improve your health? Let me know in the comments, and I'll be sure to cover them in future videos. Thank you so much for watching today. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.